Welcome to our beginner English class. We invite you to come and learn with us. Guys, I think I'm dying. My head is a drum, and my throat is a desert. My throat is a desert. Yo, Anna, get up! We have a math test today. You can't miss it. Jack, call the ambulance. My brain is melting. Whoa! You are literally a human heater. Mom! Dad! Anna is lava! Mom and Dad, Anna has a fever.
I can't find the thermometer.
I have the medicine, but where is it?
Honey, what's wrong? Do you have a headache?
I'm not sure. Let's check her temperature. My head hurts, my throat hurts, everything hurts.
That's a high fever. We need to go to the hospital, now! No.
No! I hate the hospital. It smells like lemons and sadness.
Be brave, Anna. Let's go.
Better than smelling like a sweaty zombie, Anna. Get your shoes on.
I feel dizzy.
I've got you.
Don't worry, sweetie. It's gonna be okay.
She's a very kind doctor, and we'll be right here.
But what if it hurts? Is it a needle?
Hi, Anna. I heard you're feeling like a lava monster today. Let's check you out. Open big and say, ah. Okay, now let's take a look. Just hold still for me. That's quite red. Very good. Your throat is very red. We should take a closer look.
It is?
Yes, but don't worry, we'll make you feel better.
I just don't understand what this means.
It's gonna be okay, honey.
I promise. But what if something is really wrong?
Look, someone's coming.
Deep breath in. And out. You've just got a little cold, sweetie. No need to worry.
Oh, really?
Just take this medicine, you'll be feeling better tomorrow.
Okay, thank you. Is it serious, doctor?
No, it's just a bad flu. She needs rest, lots of water, and some medicine. No math test for 3 days.
Best news ever! No shots?
No. No shots.
No shots. Just medicine.
Take this to the pharmacy. Thank you, doctor.
I'm hungry.
Oh, we will get soup on the way home.
Time for your medicine, Anna. Okay, Anna, time for your medicine. Take 1 pill after lunch.
It's too big. It looks like a rock.
Just take it, sweetie. It will help you.
Just swallow it with juice, Drama Queen. And drink your water.
I don't want to. Bitter. Bitter.
Here's water.
Thanks.
I made you some homemade chicken soup.
Here is Dad's magic soup.
Thank you, Dad. It's warm.
Remember, drink water. Sleep a lot.
Thank you, Mom.
Rule number 3. No iPad for 1 hour.
Fine, I'll sleep.
Go to sleep early, dear. Sleeping early will help you get better faster.
I feel so much better. No more red throat. Oh! The zombie is gone? I'm back, world. Being sick is not fun, but I learned some cool survival words. If you feel bad, remember these. I have a fever. My throat is sore. I need medicine. I feel dizzy. And that's how you do it. And don't forget the most important rule. Listen to your big brother. Get out, Tom. I'm skipping down the stairs now, so happy and so free. I love this sunny... Mom, Dad, I'm feeling better now.
Oh, sweetheart, that's wonderful news.
We're so glad to hear that, kiddo. Good morning, everyone. Morning, Mom. Watch this.
Slow down, honey.
He's so funny. Hi.
Hey.
Hello. Stay
healthy.
All right, everyone. That's all for today. See ya later.